Simple eye looks and natural makeup is really trending right now, and so is glitter for spring 2022. So I just created this simple, shimmery, glittery look using the Bare Necessities Palette by Colourpop. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, especially if you love makeup tutorials. On my Colourpop E16, I'm going to go in with the shade On Holiday. It's a beautiful cold tone transition shade. I'm going to blend this into my crease area. Just blending this all over the crease area, making sure I get the outer crease up below my brow and in my inner corner here. Remember, everybody's eye shapes are different, and that based off your eye shape, you might not have to be blending it as high as I am. Same Colourpop E16, I'm going to go in with the shade Banter. This is a beautiful cool tone transition shade, a little bit darker than On Holiday. So I'm going to blend that into the outer crease, the outer top half. And make sure you're following your eye shape, staying above your crease, but below your brow. You may not have to be dragging it up as high, but just be mindful of where your brow bone is and keep it below. So I have a very cool tone transition area. I really like this naked brush that comes with the Naked palettes. I really like this one. This brush in particular for blending out the outer V because it's dense, but it's also like a blendable brush. So I don't have a name for this brush, but I'm gonna go in with a brush that looks like this. It's dense, and I'm just gonna blend out my outer V with this. I'm gonna go in with the bottom right shade. It's called Valentine, and it's just like a matte cool tone, but also a little bit warm. I don't know, it's like the perfect in-between warm and cold brown. And it's all matte, and I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm just gonna blend that in my outer V. Just patting it on, blending it out, bringing it up, keeping it in this outer area. Again, based on your eye shape, find where your iris is. The outer part of your iris to the corner of your eye, which is here to here, is where I'm going to apply that shadow. And starting with as little bit of pigment as possible, blending it out because you can always add more. A very cool tone smoked out outer V. I'm gonna go in with the shade Silk Teddy. This is my favorite shade in the palette. I love this shimmer. It's also just like a perfect sparkly glittery shimmer shade. It looks so pretty in the eye. It looks almost like glitter. So I'm gonna apply this with my finger. A very buttery soft eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna apply this in my inner eye area. The shadow has tons of fallout, just a warning, but it is one of my absolute favorite shimmers ever, honestly. So good. So just like that, go ahead and dust away the fallout. And it looks super glittery, which is exactly what I want. It's like a perfect pressed foil shimmery glitter shade, and I'm just bringing it up. I want this look to be like messy, smoked out, not so precisely placed. I feel like the trend now is just to have an eye look that's very natural, blended out, nothing that's like matte, shimmer, black, like, you know, just have it flow and look really pretty. So you can stop there, but I'm just gonna razzle dazzle this a little bit and add a little bit of darker shadow in the outer V and then a darker shimmer. So on a Colourpop, or sorry, a JH GH40 Morphe brush. This is a pointed blending brush. This is perfect for me to add darker shades. I love it. I'm gonna go with that shade Taboo. I'm just gonna blend that into my outer B, just a darker cool tone brown shade. I'm tapping off the excess. It's very important when you go in with dark shades that you do that, because you don't want to put too much pigment and it's just gonna ruin the look. So I'm just gonna touch that out here, slowly blending out. Not too dark, but dark enough where I can create this smoky look that's very gradient. Keeping this nice and low on my eyelid and just slowly adding pigment. I really hope my mirror was not blocking my look there. Slowly adding pigment. Prixie Fix. This dark shimmer down here, really, really pretty. It's gonna also come off in the eye like a glitter, like Silk Teddy did. So we're gonna add this between Silk Teddy and the dark outer V. So on my finger, again, look how shimmery, buttery smooth that shimmer is. Just a little bit, and I'm just gonna add that here. Darkening up between those two shades. That, and like how it's messy. The shimmers go up high. It just looks like a very effortless, glittery look. Morphe GH40, and I'm gonna blend out the shade Velveteen, which is that matte brown. It's like the perfect mix between cool and warm tone. And I'm just gonna blend that in my outer lower V area. Just smoking out the lash line, so that way we're not so top heavy and the look is more uniform. Small detailer brush, this is by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna take the shade Idol Hour. It's the lightest shimmer in the palette. And I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner with this, dragging it into the other shadow. And then along this bottom lash line, just to add a little extra sparkle. Highlighting, bringing it up, just like that. Again, not so well placed, everything's kind of messy and flows together. Guys, I did not even do my brows, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do my brows real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to apply some Ardel Demi Wispies. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.